real issue is about the United States policy towards China. They are talking about containing China's development, which is not the same. I mean, trying to implement a higher pressure on China in the international community. I don't think the Americans really care about what's going on in Xinjiang. I mean, they have Guantanamo, they have invaded Iraq, they have invaded Afghanistan, they made a war in Libya. All these are Muslim countries. So how can they come now and talk about the problems of Muslims in China?
This double standard should stop, because they should not interfere in domestic affairs. They do not love the people of China as the government of China itself. They should stop. We know they are doing this for economic reasons, not for human rights reasons. China has not made the progress only in terms of economic and social affairs, but China has made also progress in terms of politics, in terms of security at local, at regional and international level. Their philosophy in fighting terrorism has something to teach to other countries, and this should be a good example to other countries of the West.